Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Pride. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is not financial advice. Back for another Bitcoin Cash video, guys. I'm gonna keep y'all up to date on Bitcoin Cash, cause y'all be losing focus, man. I want y'all to stay focused on Bitcoin Cash and don't let the ups and downs scare you. In other words, like I said, this coin was, let me see, 1 year. Look at the 1 year chart. It was down to $323 just a couple months, just 4 months ago. Down to $323. Now we're at 571. It's just going to get higher and higher and higher, in my honest opinion. I love Bitcoin Cash. I think it's I gotta say, the poor man's Bitcoin. But once Bitcoin is totally out of reach, guys, people are gonna see the better option, which is Bitcoin Cash. And guys, ChatGPT just upgraded to ChatGPT 5. And so you know what your boy had to do. I had to put in, what is the potential of Bitcoin Cash? Current price $572. Did you guys know? Potential outlook of Bitcoin Cash. This is the short to medium term focus. According to Changely, projects BCH may range between 455 to 558. We already blew that out the water. With potential peaks around 624 to 661 in late summer and early fall, yielding modest returns of around 8 to 15% in some months and slightly negative in others. Coin Codex forecasts a more bullish scenario, potential gains of 46% by December 2025, reaching average prices in the range of $748 to $834. So you still got ways to go, guys. That's another $200 on top of this one. All right. Finance user consensus echoes that BCH could reach around $728 within 5 years, a 28% increase from current levels. BitGet anticipates BCH may reach roughly 600 by end of year 2025, with extended growth towards 630 in 2026 and about 766 by 2030, a 34% gain over 5 years. We're gonna blow that out the water as well. Long-term projections 2030 and beyond. Crypto News forecasts an average price of $3,934 by 2030. $3,934 by 2030. So this is not a buying. If this is not a buying opportunity, I don't know what it is, guys. But I'm gonna keep stacking it up in my Robinhood account. I'm DCing $5, $10 every single day into BCH. If you want to get the link, it's gonna be in the description below. Robinhood Cash. Robinhood is the easiest platform I can find to buy Bitcoin Cash. And also, if you're new to Robinhood, you get a free stock as well, just for using the link below. With upper bound reaching $8,266. Though these numbers are right optimistic, they pretty much in range, I think. Yeah. Investing Haven suggests BCH could rise to 1,300 by 2030 and potentially 2,300 by 2040, presuming continued adoption and technological improvements. Crypto Stats and Marget suggests a more modest long-term range. Marget projects 791 to 1,500 by 2030, with up to 101% increase from current levels. Technical and adoption factors. Bitcoin Cash is structured. The scalability via larger block size is now up to 32 megabytes, aiming for faster, cheaper transactions, better than Bitcoin, making it appealing primarily as a digital cash alternative. Digital cash, guys. You know, the United States is going towards this digital cash, and you know people are not going to be transferring Bitcoin because Bitcoin takes too long. Just wait and see. Once they realize that Bitcoin Cash is the real digital cash, skyrocket. Friday's going to retire for life. Credit site minor centralization and limited adoption compared to Bitcoin, which may hinder its long-term resilience and security. Price predictions, you guys see scalability, updates, adoption, key insights, potential but faces adoption and network risk. Right, speculative, highest projections, less certain. Depends on adoption, bullish price trends, moderate returns, possible forecasts vary wildly. But this is not taking into consideration the bull market that's going to come. You know, ETH is already at 4,300 today. This is just the beginning, guys. This is just the beginning. Get yourself some Bitcoin Cash and get yourself an exit strategy. My exit strategy, I'm going to start selling something around $1,000, $1,200, $1,500. Hold on to some for the long run. Like I said, final thoughts. Bitcoin Cash holds moderate near-term upside potential. 10 to 50% gains by the end of 2025, depending on market conditions. Longer term projections range widely from steady growth into the low 4 digits to, in very optimistic scenarios, several $1,000s per BCH by 2030. What are you waiting for? Just want to put this back on your radar, guys. BCH, the sleeping giant, but it's gonna wake soon. Remember that Jolly Green Giant? That's what Bitcoin Cash is. It is about to awaken. It's about to come alive. Don't be left out. I'll see you in the next update, guys. Peace out.